Shannon, duck.
Duck?
Yeah, duck.
Kevin!
There you go! Beautiful! Beautiful!
Oh, drag shaft in danger.
Here you go, perfect. Perfect, good placement of that rock.
You got it right where you need it!
Whoa, come on. Give me a line.
His line.
Crazy.
You know, last time he crawled up this no problem.
Yeah, except he's got.
Yeah, I know. He's down a wheel. Oh man.
I gotta give me a Jeep. You're great. I got a 4x truck, but I gotta give me a Jeep.
I'll give you $1 if you sit on a catches.
I'll give you $1 if you sit under that Jeep.
Hey, is it taping at the same time?
No, I got it on standby on me. It's a pain in the ass.
Give me another one.
Watch it. Watch it. Kevin, you can do it!
Got you, baby!
The Winch do it. Yeah, baby! No!
Beautiful!
There you go. Go in.
Oh, fuck.
Whoa! Fault me.
Oh!
Both passengers are gone. Is that all you needed? Okay, hold on. Let me unhook you. All right, you're unhooked.
Rodney set you over.
The winch line.
There's the official splicing of the winch line. Yes, this is how you do it, folks.
There. You're out. Hold up.
In another spot.
Well, it'll snap at the knot because the knot will actually, it's got too tight of a bend. The knot broke.
No, it's a different spot. The knot stayed together.
It broke out the knot.
No problem.
Hey, just take that loose end and tie it to the shackle on the strap. Don't put that knot back in there. Hold that line. Hey, Doug, winch in. Is the line? Yeah, you got line. Winch in. Okay, cool. No, I mean, yeah. Back up, let me get a rock. Someone give me a rock in there. Yeah, good.
Probably the first hit this rod.
Hey. Stop, I'll tell you when to go.
Yeah, you got a dip eater coming up too. Stay passenger if you can.
I got some up there.
All right, let's go.
Oh,
This way, turn it.
I got my things right here.
Ready?
I broke.
Yep. And what else broke?
How many sections of winch line I have? There's more.
There's more.
Somewhere in here there's some.
Jeppy, what's going on here?
Yeah.
Now
I had to take the shirt off.